So I'm not sure if this is recording me or not, but I am taking apart a dryer, or I've taken apart this dryer because I couldn't understand why our clothes wasn't drying, or our clothes weren't drying. So I'm going to show you up in here. This thing here that I'm touching is a belt. This belt had actually come loose. As you can see, I pretty much just pulled it out. It come loose because the screw came off. So now I have to figure out how to get this belt on here securely. So this is what I'm doing. I have the belt wrapped around this hose, and I then stuck it on here. I have this screw, which I'm sure you can see now. It's actually making it so much easier. So now I am securing the bolt to I'm going to turn it until I get this on here secure. Yep, I am.